everyone, this is Jongfi. I'm from Ningbo Shanzhong Power Tools. Now, I plan to make a brief introduction for our latest product, the Orbital Sander, the newest one. This sander with high power, 6 watts, and also with variable speed from 1 to 6. The revolution speed from 5,000 to 10,000 per minute. Now let's see how we work in different atmospheres. This sander is ideal for polishing and sanding the wood, metal surface, and also the wall. It with the faster selector function. Now you can see it can be compatible with the vacuum cleaner, so it will with better dust suction. We can compare this part and this part. Now we can see the old ribbon is fresh. This part looks very new. You can see and smoothly. Wow, good performance, right? Now it's time to move the manual surface now, right? That we see how we work for the mantle surface. Now let's see how does it work. Okay, begin. You can see we can sanding the wall very smoothly before painting, like the dry wall. This machine is functional for sanding the wall, the mantle surface, and also the wood, so it will be a good choice in your market. If you have any questions, welcome to contact with us, and we can send you the best